Welcome to Srinivas CN sir in our Living Happily studio. Today we are going to talk about the spirituality. As you might be knowing that nowadays a spirituality is the only ultimate goal should be for all of us. So he will talk a lot of things. Welcome sir.
Namaskar, thank you very much.
You can
I
talk in
am
Hindi or English, whatever you want.
I am basically a follower of Gita, Bhagavad Gita, and I like it so much. I try to follow that because 100% following is too difficult. But I try my level best to follow the same thing. For me, I get answer for any of my queries from Bhagavad Gita because Bhagavan himself has told all that. To understand, it may be difficult in so many situations, but you go on and go on to understand, read, or listen to the commentaries. So you will definitely come to know. One will definitely understand, and if he applies to his life, he will get everything. He will get everything means everything perfectly. Um, as far as peace, first a man requires a very peaceful nature. To be peaceful, it is very difficult, very difficult because man comes up with lots of ambitions, desires, so many uh, wanted, unwanted goals, targets. It is difficult, very difficult. Okay, you can get some first rank once, but second time also you have to get first rank. And throughout the career you have to get first rank. If you don't get, you'll get disappointed like anything. And in job also, you want to be a prominent person, and everywhere you want to shine. If you don't shine, yes, you are going to be disappointed. Sometimes you lose, you will feel like you are totally dished, you are depressed, and you will start hating everybody. That's what has been told in the Gita. Any kamana, any desire can land you up in trouble, in dukkha or vishada. So you have to avoid that. So a man has to control. Dukkha means he has to be peaceful. He has to study what is happening. Why is it happening? Is it really required? Is it really required till the end? Because at various stages of the man, various things are required. Same thing is not required at the as a child, like child likes a chocolate, but at the age of 50 or 60 or 70, if you give a chocolate, he will not eat because changes will be there in the growth. So that's why we have to adopt our lifestyle according to Gita. Means we have to control. What Bhagavan says is we have to be happy both in sorrow and also in good times. So that control we should try to adopt. Secondly, we have to have no raga or dvesha. So suppose I hate somebody, then I'll think more about others. I will think how to justify my hatred, or how to express my anguish. So that will kill my energy, my spirituality. So I have to avoid that. Then to be too much excited is also a difficult situation. I cannot be too much excited every this thing. So the Gita has given so many examples. So we have to keep washing our papas. We have to keep our mind in balance, and we have to keep the raga and dvesha in balance because it will definitely occur to everyone. Like so many rajas, maharajas, rishis, maharishis, everyone had to do good lot to control this because there are so many sages who have performed tapas for so many years or centuries. So it's not a small thing, but still we have to keep trying. Otherwise, we will not get anything. We will die with some this thing again. We will born with the same problems. So again, a new chapter will commence. What Gita says is, your inner soul is a permanent. Your outer, whatever is body is there, it is not permanent. It is for this generation. That's all. It is for your present birth. It is not for every birth. You would have been a rat or a cockroach or lizard or elephant in your previous generation. Next generation, you don't know. So what you have to do? You have to go on performing better, better, better. So that will improve your situation. You can be taken to the Vaikuntha Mukti. That is part one. Part two. By doing that, your mind will be very free from the problems. You can be happy. Once your mind is free, your buddhi also should be under control. So mind also should be under control. If those two things they work in a